Hello everyone. Today we will talk about Elon Musk. Elon Musk is the person whom the world used to call crazy. People used to call him crazy when he said that he will give the world cars running without petrol. People called him crazy when he said that he will build a city for humans on his Mars. The pandemic in 2020 affected the business of the whole world, but Elon Musk earned $110 billion and became the second richest man in the world. Today, I am going to tell you about the most perfect businessman in the world. If you like our video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Number 1. He was born on June 28, 1971 in South Africa. He was very weak in his childhood. That's why he didn't play with other children. He made books his friend, and by the age of 9, he had acquired knowledge equal to that of a graduate. In Friends, people took many years to learn computer programming. He learned computer programming in just a few months, and at the age of 12, he made a video game called Blaster and sold it for $500. Number 2. Elon Musk's parents were from South Africa and his mother was from Canada, but they chose America to go to university. In 1992, he arrived in America, where he took admission in the University of Pennsylvania, and from here he graduated in the fields of science. In 1995, he took admission in PhD, but left it after 2 days. He realized that being a degree is not necessary. A person should be useful. It is not necessary to have a degree for money. Write yes and no in the comments and express your opinion. Number 3. In 1965, he started a company called Zip2 with his younger brother, Campbell. This was the time when there was no such thing as Google in the world. This website called Zip2 was such a website that you could search for anyone's address. In the beginning, there was a lot of expense in running this website, but at that time, Elon Musk did not have any expenses. There was no money, so he used to come to his office and sleep. And he used to shower in the gym after 4 years of hard work when this website became very famous. And the famous company, which was a computer compact company, bought it for $22 million, which is 350 million rupees today. Friends, please like and subscribe to our channel. This is your love, and we are waiting for your love. Number 4. The series of successes of Elon Musk had begun. He also bought a sports car worth $1 million out of $22 million, which was destroyed in a road crash after a few days. Number 5. After that, in 1999, Elon Musk started X.com with $10 million. Moving forward, the world's first and most famous online system, PayPal, was created. In 2002, PayPal was bought by the famous website TBA for $105 billion because among the PayPal creators, there were other people with Elon Musk. From here, Elon Musk got $165 million, which is 2,640 crores in Pakistan. Number 6. Friends, Elon Musk is a major junkie. His friends bought houses, cars, and luxuries from PayPal, but Elon Musk invested $100 million in SpaceX and $70 million in Tesla, and he went back to his office to sleep. This was the time when the world was convinced that this man was crazy. Number 7. Friends, Elon Musk wanted to free the world from the slavery of petrol and diesel. He made the world's first electric car, Tesla. In this company, he had $70 million, which has become $40 billion today. That crazy man whom the world did not take seriously earned $110 billion in 2020, and today his net worth is $145 billion, which is 2,320,000 crores in Pakistani currency. In terms of profit, Tesla also left Toyota behind. Number 8. Friends say that a successful man has a woman behind him. In the case of Elon Musk, his mother, who was a model, left the dream of modeling on the way to raise her children. Today, Musk is 72 years old and is the mother of the second richest man in the world. At the age of 72, Musk decided to fulfill his dream of modeling. And in this work, his son, Elon Musk, supported him. Friends, if you also love your mother, then pray for her. Let's move on to number 9. Friends, the more interesting their business life is, the more interesting their family life is. He got married 3 times, twice to the same girl. Elon Musk liked Justine Wilson, who studied at the University of Canada, and he got married in 2000. This marriage ended in 2008. In 2010, Elon Musk married Canadian actress Kalola Riley. But in 2012, he also divorced her. In 2013, he realized that this girl was good, so he shouldn't have divorced her. In 2014, he married her again, and in 2014, he divorced her again. In 2018, Elon Musk was once again discussed that he was having an affair with Canadian singer Mcqs. If a man should be rich, he should never be old. Number 10. Friends, you must have seen the famous film Iron Man, in which Tony Stark is seen saving the world and he is shown as an Arab businessman. And this idea came after seeing Elon Musk. In the Iron Man film of 2010, you will also see Elon Musk. Number 11. In 2002, Elon Musk invested $100 million in SpaceX. This is a space company that makes cheap rockets and sends them to NASA. In addition to this, Elon Musk is also going to invest in Mars. Number 12. Elon Musk, who is also known as a workaholic. He is running different companies. He works 18 hours a day in which eating, drinking, bathing, going to the washroom, etc. Number 13. Friends, you must have heard and seen the 1977 James Bond film, The Spy Who Loved Me. The car running in it, which is also seen running in water, Elon Musk liked it very much. In 2013, he bought it for $1 million. Its name was Batonella. Number 14. Elon Musk's Tesla Model S is called the most famous car in the world. In this, S means safety. It is so safe that the safety company America gave 5 out of 5. Let's move forward. Number 15. Elon Musk used to buy Tesla's subcar batteries from other companies, which used to work very slowly. That's why the world's largest factory was set up. Its name was Geiger, in which as many batteries are made in a year as all the companies in the world. Number 16. In 2013, Elon Musk made solar plates, which you can put on the roof of the house and give light to the whole house. And after that, you can also charge your car, Tesla means. And you don't need to pay any bill. So friends, how did you like our video today? I hope today's video will be very informative for you. And I hope you will definitely subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Again, because from the bell icon button, you will continue to receive new informative videos. Inshallah. Thank you so much.